Hi friends, welcome to Abhiyanvi tutorials. So this video series is regarding SQL basics using MySQL. So it will be containing 5 classes. First class will see some basics like select, aliasing, limit, where, null, in. Then class 2 will learn about like arithmetic operations on the columns and substring, concat, distinct, upper, lower. Then third class exclusively for case 1. Okay. And fourth class how to do aggregations on the columns. Then group by, having, order by. And in fifth class we'll learn about joins: inner join, left join, right join, self join, and cross join. So these all fundamentals we learn in 1 hour. So let's start. Once you open the MySQL, it will be looking like this. Then first you create a schema. Okay. So right click and create schema. Let's say new schema, training SQL. Okay guys. Then apply, then finish. Okay. So refresh it. Then you will get a training SQL. Okay. So here it is there. So all tables, views, store procedure functions will be created automatically. So once you create the schema, then you can import your table into this. Okay, for our practice. So we have a table data set, that is a Titanic data set, which is a CSV file. Okay, comma separated value file. So that will be used for our class. So once you open this, you will see the columns in that. So this is a famous Titanic data set which is used for our training. So it is having passenger ID. Okay. Then survived, passenger class, name, sex, age, siblings, ticket, fare, cabin, embarked, which station they embarked, and all this. Is a famous data set. So this data set will import into our MySQL. Then we learn all fundamentals of SQL using MySQL. Okay. Let's start. Okay. Let's import this data into MySQL. Okay, guys. Let me don't save this. Open MySQL. Then click on the tables. Okay. And right click, table data import widget, browse, then go to Titanic dataset. It should be CSV file, remember that. Okay, open, next, 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 and next. Everything by default it will take all values, data types and all, then it will import. Okay, so let's wait for 2 minutes. Okay, it's imported, guys. Let's see the data. So refresh it. So on the tables we have our data ready. So on this we practice our basics, SQL basics. Okay guys. Okay, so let's start. So first one is like we'll see in this class, we'll see these things: select, aliasing, limit, where, null, and in. Okay, so select is nothing but selecting any column or all columns from the data set. So select a star from Titanic data set, right? Titanic data set. So intelligence will work. So whatever databases are there in that schema, it will show you. Okay, so click on that, then execute the command using this icon. This execute the all commands, and this execute wherever cursor is there, that line only it will execute, to execute the statement under the keyboard cursor. Okay, this icon will execute all commands. Okay guys, so star means it will return all columns from the data set. Okay, we have say 891 rows, so all rows will come here with the star. For example, you want specific columns, then you can give here. Okay, like let's say passenger ID, age, okay, sex, from Titanic data set. So you'll get only those three columns. So whatever columns you will give here in select line, so those columns will be displayed. So next we'll go to aliasing. For example, passenger ID is very long to understand, then you can give the aliasing using as. Okay, as, let's say passenger ID, you can say PID. Okay, and the age you can say as age in years. Okay guys, like that you can give the aliasing, so it will be displayed with the aliasing name. Okay guys, so that is called aliasing in MySQL. So without as also you can directly give the column name like this. Okay, so run this, then you'll get the same results. So if you give the as, it will be looking like aliasing, it is easy to understand. If you won't give as also, it will work like aliasing. Okay guys, that is aliasing. Then we'll go to the limit. Limit is nothing but displaying the required rows from the output data. For example, select star from Titanic data set, right? So let me remove this. So it will display everything. So you want only 5 rows from the output, then give the limit. Okay, limit 5, then it will display the 5 rows only. For example, you want only 3 rows as output, then you can give the 3, then you get only 3 rows as the output. That is called limit. Okay guys, so limit also very useful when you try to extract data from the main data set. For example, you have the employees and their salaries. Okay, so if you want to get who is having the highest salary, then you can use the limit 1 and you can extract the highest salary from that. For example, I will tell that let me show the employee data set in this schema. For example, in training schema, I have a employee data set here. Okay, salaries are there. So how to use limit to get the highest salary from the employees? Okay, employee who is having the highest salary, we have to find out using the limit. Okay, so what we have to do, so select employee name, right? Select name. Okay, from employee. Okay, employee name and salary from employee. Okay, then what we will get guys, we will get all salaries. So we have to order by descending order. Okay, order by salary descending order, then we will get all salaries with the descending order. Okay, then you give limit 1, then you will get the highest salary employee name like this. So limit is useful to fetch the highest salary from the employees table, so that is useful of limit. Okay guys, then we'll go to the where. Let me remove this and let me go to our Titanic data set here. Okay, so where, so for example, I want to fetch the employees, I want to fetch the passengers whose age is greater than 25. Okay, so select passenger. Okay, so first if you give from, then it will give, intelligence will work. Okay, Titanic data set, now you will get the intelligence for column names. Okay, passenger ID. Okay, and name. Okay, and age. Okay, from Titanic's data set where age is greater than 25. Okay guys, so I am fetching all passengers whose age is greater than 25, their passenger ID, name and age, so you can compare with the output, so whether we are getting greater than 25 or not. Okay guys, so like this you can fetch required records from the data set using the where. It's a condition, okay, single condition where it will fetch when this condition is satisfied, all those records will come out in the output. Okay, so where can be used with and also, right? Age is greater than 25 and age is less than 50, so only these guys will come now between 25 to 50. Okay, so if you give the order by, then you can see the series order by age, then ascending order it will come, then you can easily understand it is greater than 25 and less than 50. Okay, so and is there and or condition also there. Okay, age is greater than 25 or age is less than 10. Okay, then you will get all those records like this. So less than 10 you will get, or greater than 25 you will get. Okay guys, so where can be used with and or conditions. Okay guys, remember that. Okay, like this you can fetch the required records from the dataset using the where. Okay guys, then we'll go to the null. For null I will use my employee table where we are having some nulls there. Select star from employee. Okay, so if you execute this you will get all. So here some nulls are there, so we'll fetch those nulls. Okay, where, always remember that null can be used with where salary is null. Okay, so always remember that null will be used with is. You should not use equal to. If you say equal to, you won't get output, so that is wrong way of using null. Always remember that null is used with is. Okay, so salary is null. Okay, let me check that. Okay, so all null values will come in the output. So if I give the equal to, what happens guys? So let's see the output. Salary equal to null, then you won't get any output. So we have to use null with always with the is. Okay, or you can use not also, where salary is not null, then you will get all remaining outputs. Okay, so like this you can learn these fundamentals up to null. Then we'll see the in. Okay, let's see this in. So let's again go to our Titanic dataset, select star from Titanic dataset. Always where also in also will be used with where. Okay, where passenger class in. So in brackets we have to use the specific class names. Okay guys, so I am interested in passenger class 1 and 2, that's why I am fetching all records from passenger class 1 and 2. Okay, or you can use, see, passenger class 1 and 2 only we got. Okay, passenger class 3 we won't get. Okay guys, so that is the in. So in, and what is the difference between in and age? For example, I will give the age here. In and where, I will tell the difference between in and where. So where age 25 and 50 means I will get only those two ages records. Okay, 25 and 50. Okay, so what is the difference between where and in? So in will be, where means only one single condition, but in means you can give the specific conditions. Like here two conditions we are giving, where age equal to 25 and age equal to 50. But using the where, you can't use that where age equal to 25 and where age equal to 50, it will throw the error, right? Where age equal to, if I give where age equal to 25 and age equal to 50, then what happens? You won't get any output because age cannot be 25 and 50, right? So if you want to get age 25 and 50, then you have to use in, okay, in 25 comma 50, okay. So then you will get all 25 and 50 ages, okay guys. So like this, in first class we learned all these fundamentals: select, aliasing, limit, where, null, and in. And second class we will see these things, okay. Stay tuned. See you in second class. Bye bye.